We're going to talk about the difference between what we did as a group on Clubhouse and what we're doing now on the community that's on HempBuild Mag and HempBuild Community, and how that's different. Now, Clubhouse was great for everybody to get to know each other and how building with hemp is possible, how it's got high levels of environmental stewardship, high levels of performance and efficiency and quality and healthiness that are along with a home. And then that was more of everybody coming together. It was audio only, and it lacked sometimes you need a picture or a technical drawing or a video to explain things, and you just couldn't have that. And so that's why the community is not restricted to a time or a meeting. It's something where you can go on the community on HempBuildMag.com, set up a profile, and then you could go in there, ask your questions, interact with other fellow peers and colleagues, and do that. And so that's how that is different than Clubhouse. And for those of you who joined us there, there's also the replays that are still on the HempBuild community on Clubhouse. You can go back through those, give those a listen. A lot of folks have shared that they like connecting with those like they would a podcast. And you can gather your ideas, your basic knowledge, and bring your questions forward. And we look forward to interacting with you on the community.